Welcome to the end of 2020. I wanted to deliver this update for what this year has been, what 2020 might look for us. And 2020 has been an incredible year. It's been incredibly bad for some, it's been incredibly great for others. It's just been an incredible year. So where you are in that spectrum, we can all agree it's been absolutely crazy. The best adjective, the best saying that I saw somebody use was 2020 has been a dumpster fire of a year. We all hope 2021 is going to be better, obviously, but we are here to talk about real estate, what has happened in the market in 2020, and again, what we're going to see here in the future. So to get into it, I have the stats for year over year, the latest stats for November, year over year. We're going to see a continuation of some of the trends that we have been seeing, and we'll talk about what it means for you in this marketplace. So as we get into it, our closed sales in Lee County, we have 1,364 single-family homes that have sold. That's up 36.3% year over year. And in Collier County, 639 homes. That's up 66%. That's huge, 66% year over year. The median price is now $319,000 in Lee. That's up 21.6%. In Collier, $550,000 for a median priced single family home. That's up 26%. These median prices have gone up very significantly and quite quickly as far as year over year pricing. Time to contract. This is a big story as well. Lee County is only 27 days from the time that you list your home for sale. On average, it's taking 27 days to get an accepted contract in place. In Collier County, that's 41 days. It was not very long ago that Collier County was well over 100 days before they would expect a contract on a single family home. So that's a big deal. The new pending sales, this is what is driving everything. There's a significant amount of demand out there. It's up 31% year over year in Lee, up 41.5%. And these pendings, these new pending sales, that's what drives our closings. So as that number is higher, we're going to see the closings in the future months also be higher than they were year over year in the previous years. New listings. This is a big story because now we're seeing less homes come on the market than we saw come on the market last year. The problem is that the demand is so much higher. The new pendings are up 31 and 41% year over year. With that higher demand and not as many homes coming on the market, we've got a real demand and supply issue that we're working with, and that's what's driving the prices to be doing what they're doing. Now the inventory level, that's what we're talking about. It's only at 2.2 months in Lee County, and it's at 3 months in Collier County. So if no new homes come on the market, in 2.2 months from now, we're gonna see there are 0 homes available on the market. Now, obviously that doesn't happen. Obviously we're gonna have new homes that do come on the market. But what I am really wondering, what's gonna be sort of unusual, this year, this coming season, we are at the end of December. January, February, and March are our high season in Southwest Florida. What typically happens year over year is our inventory starts to build in January and build in February, and then it starts getting sold off in March and April. What I think is going to happen, what appears to be the case, is that yes, more people, more snowbirds will put their homes on the market than maybe are on the market right now. But because the inventory is as low as it is, I would not be surprised if a lot of that inventory gets snatched up early, as opposed to the snowbirds waiting till the end of season to make the purchases that they're looking to purchase. So 2021, we're not seeing anything that looks like there's going to be drastic changes in the marketplace. The historic low interest rates continue to be a driver for demand, and the markets that are winning are the vacation markets around the country, which here in Southwest Florida, we are obviously a vacation market. The hottest products that we're seeing right now are the single family homes, especially new construction, and especially homes with pools. Those are in the highest demand. So if you have a single family home with a pool, talk to us about how much equity you may have in your property, because what we're seeing people do right now is potentially having more equity than they originally thought, either selling and buying something new, being able to capture those historic low interest rates, and potentially even saving some money. So getting into a better property that fits your current needs and save money, it's just a win-win for everybody. So what's interesting in this is it's a big time seller's market according to the inventory levels. However, buyers are able to win because the interest rates are as low as they are and the payments are relatively affordable that they would make on their mortgage. So it's really the perfect combination, and that's what we've seen throughout 2020. We went from a time in April to where the showings were 70% off of where they were the past year to now being above where they were the past year. And you can see the closed sales are just far beyond that. So it's going to be interesting. I don't have a crystal ball. Well, I know that I cannot with 100% certainty predict the future, but it looks like we're going to have a very productive and successful 2021 in the real estate market. So that does it for 2020. Thank you so much for watching the video, for being a subscriber. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel if you have not yet, and we look forward to serving you in 2021. And by the way, our word of the year, our team created the word of the year, and that is impact. So we want to know how we can make an impact on the most number of families, make the biggest impact in our local community. So if you have something that would be a good idea from that perspective, we'd love to hear about that as well. Thank you so much. Happy New Year. Look forward to speaking with you soon.